What's up, YouTube? This is gonna be a new channel, a new family channel. We're gonna be calling ourselves the Elite Family. My name is Nat, aka Nat the Queen. So today's video is gonna be about how to do your hair in some quick layers. Takes less than 2 minutes. None of all that extra putting it up in the air salon stuff. I'm gonna show you how to do it really quick, really fast. You only need 2 utensils. This hair started off really long, and then this is even a different hairstyle from what I had 2 days ago. I'm very indecisive about hair. I get bored easy. But stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do that in this clip coming up. And like, comment, subscribe, show all your people. This is gonna be an everything channel because we lit like that. So I hope you guys subscribe, and I hope you like the video. Bye.
Even in the wintertime, we will fly above the sky. Can't you see it in my eyes? My mom and Ty consistently assisting me.
He said he leaving, with or without me. I say, where we going? He said, wherever you want. This world is yours, though, and I'ma give it to you. Let's live this lavish life and split it down the middle. Cop designer bags, new expensive swag. Make these haters mad, get into my bag. You wanna run, so I'm running with you. Oh yeah, and don't forget to bring my gun, too. I know you go, so we gon' have fun.
Hey, so I'm just gonna be showing. I did this side already. This side is cut just straight. This is Lumiere hair, but I'm just gonna be showing you like a quick way to cut your hair in like a layered, you know, type vibe, but like very quick and simple. So what you're gonna do is kind of, you know, this side is already done, as you can see. It's a little shorter. You're going to take a comb, any comb you have, preferably a comb that's not so wide tooth, and you're going to, on a slant, I like to do it on the smaller end, just because it stays on the comb easier. And let's see, I didn't do that much. And you're just gonna, on a slant, take your hair and cut, basically, on a slant like this, and just cut it going straight down. It's gonna look like that. And that's it. Quick way to do layers in your hair. No, you know, going up and doing all that, and it's gonna already fall. Like, you know, layers, because you did it on a slant. And let's show you how the back will look. It'll fall like a V. That's it. Quick way to cut your hair in layers in less than 5 minutes. Boom.